9-inch cake round, but what if it were in Temp-tations colors and in stoneware? That's exactly what we're bringing you today. It's a set of two 9-inch baking rounds. Whether you're doing a layer cake, some great queso for the big game day, a beautiful pie for Thanksgiving. Already 800 of these are gone. I need to let you know that we have tons of great colors and choices, but I'm not going to get through those until we bring in our special guest, because it's important to know that all things Temp-tations are Tara Tesher, and she's joining us now live via Skype to tell us more about this great set. And Tara, this comes at such a perfect time of year, in stock, ready to ship. Everyone's looking for the perfect vessel for all that they're making this holiday season. I think you found it.
Yeah, absolutely, David. And it's taking those iconic baking pieces that we've had in our home, whether it was in glass, that's sometimes really hard to clean, or metal that can buckle in the oven. These are stoneware, which means it's naturally nonstick, what our grandmothers used and their grandmothers used. So baking in here, you don't need any butters or oils or any extra added fats. And the fact that you're getting both of these, think about them as a shallow baker, but also think of them for all of your great baked goods, including layered cake.
Now remember, whatever you choose here, you're getting two of. Right? I don't have my gloves on, so I can't do the big two. But this is exciting. So here is your confetti, $9.50. Here's green, $500. Here's the blue, always popular, $470 to go around. Now don't forget red, $400. Here's gray, fewer than $400, and taupe, $300. Now in floral lace, always most popular is the blue, $1,200. Here's the red, fewer than $800, taupe, $675, black, $500, and gray, $500. Now in our woodland, don't ever wait on woodland. Here's gray, $300. Here's the white, $150 left in the white, and taupe, $200. Those are going to fly out of here. And then finally the polka dot. We have gray, $500, and the taupe, $300. Whatever you choose, you'll get two. Whatever color and pattern you choose, you will get two of these. Tara, let's talk about all the different things we can do with 9-inch baking rounds.
Exactly. So I love this for one dish cooking as well. So I saw in front of you, you have a sliced turkey breast, but also think about, how about doing a beautiful blueberry pancake that I've made a deep dish. And here's what I love, right? This literally came out of the oven and I can turn it out. Again, no butters, no oils, no extra added fats. I always say if the recipe calls for it, do it. But if it doesn't, don't worry about it. This beautiful deep dish pancake, or what you have there, that gorgeous sliced turkey breast with plenty of room for all of the stuffing around the edges there. That could be vegetables that you have. So if you think about your current baking rounds, do you really think you'd be actually baking an entree in it? Probably not. But that's the beauty of these iconic pieces in stoneware.
So whether you're doing a layer cake, as we have done right here, here's our layer cake, or you're doing pies for Thanksgiving. Remember, you're getting two of these. So I can do my lattice apple pie. Right, here's the lattice apple pie.
Delicious.
And then, of course, your classic pumpkin pie. 1,300 of these are gone now, Tara, and I need to let everyone know that White Woodland has left the building.
Oh, you always call it.
So White Woodland is gone. I'm not surprised by that at all. Our other two woodland colors are getting limited. So if you want the gray woodland, $270, and the taupe woodland, $180. Also, I've got your gray and taupe in the polka dots, $500 gray, $300 in the taupe. This one is floral lace. Here it is in gray, $500 black, fewer than $500 taupe, $650. Here's red, $700, and that always popular blue, $1,000. You're getting two of whatever color you order. Here's red Old World, $380. Gray Old World, $360. Taupe Old World, fewer than $300. Confetti, which is what Tara collects, always the most popular, $850. Here's green, the color that started it all, $450, and finally blue, $400 left in the blue. 1,800 in this show, Tara, and I've got 800 people on the phone lines. QVC.com and mobile app's the best way to get through right now. I love this idea for gift giving.
I do too, because when you think about gifting a hand-painted piece of stoneware, or if you're picking up woodland, you have those glass glazes around it. This is a piece that whether you tuck Cheryl's cookies inside it, or you just bake something of your own, or just give it as a gift, it's something year after year, every time they pull it out and they bake something for their holidays or memory making, they're going to think of you. But also think about layering some of your other pieces. I just took one of our 16-ounce ramekins, I put it right in the inside, and now I've actually created kind of like a chip and dip. So these are those chameleons in your kitchens. baking rounds can be so many things, from one dish cooking right on to, of course, that traditional pumpkin pie like you were showing there.
Or maybe a great big old container of queso for the big game, for movie night, chips and salsa. You could do a hot dip in here too. You could do like a delicious spinach artichoke dip.
Love.
And all those kinds of things would be really easy. Oh, I like the little footballs too.
I mean, why wouldn't you decorate? Look at this. We did a 9-inch round of David's mac and cheese.
Is that my mac and cheese?
Of course it is.
Yum. You could also do cornbread in there. You could do all kinds of things in there. You could do a crumb cake. You could bake. Do box mixes. I love finding coffee cake in the grocery store in a box mix and come home and open it and smell all those great spices and know I didn't have to put them there. This is what's really, really simple. Don't miss out on this opportunity because we've got all what you need for the holidays. This is an in-stock item, ready to ship. 2,800 of these are gone now. And I have 900 customers on the phone line. Now, our remaining 2 woodlands, the gray and the taupe, are our last call. 3 dozen each, Tara. So they're almost gone. Can we expect to see more woodland in the new year?
Absolutely. We are retiring the polka dot in the taupe and gray, but woodland, yes. And we're actually expanding into some other colors, too. Stay tuned for our 20th anniversary next year.
You have more colors coming in woodland?
I mean, maybe.
Maybe. All right. Hey, we just sold out of both woodlands. They're both gone. All right. So I'm going to pass these off this way. Thank you, Miss Lisa. All right. So I'm going to, with about a minute left here, I'm just going to go through color choices again and let you know if anything is super limited, okay? So in the polka dot, gray, and taupe, these are being retired, so when they're gone, bye-bye. Then I've got gray floral lace, black floral lace, taupe floral lace, red floral lace, and the most popular always is blue. And then from there into your old world, here's taupe and gray, and then red. Come over here to our always popular blue, green, the color that started it all, and what Tara collects, the confetti, always popular. 3,300 of these are now gone. We're going to encourage everybody to stay on the line here. Tara, thank you so much. Great to see you. Happy Halloween. Love the wig.
Thank you, my friend. Great to be here with you. Enjoy. Happy Halloween.
Thank you so much. All right, we're going to move on to something brand new. I'm going to come through the patio and make my way back into the dining room. All right. That Tom